Hey guys, I just want to make a quick video to make sure that you can see how to install your weak auras properly and how to get rid of them. So what we want to do first up is remove the old one. So if you bring up /WA, and this is the weak auras main control panel that you see. On the left hand side here you can see your loaded weak auras, which is your currently active ones, and your not loaded, which are the options of what you want to or what you can be running. On the right hand side here it's the different creations, but what you're wanting to be looking at is the bottom import, because that's where you're going to be using to bring in the new one. First thing you want to do is go to an old version. So this one I'm going to delete is the version 1.0. So what you want to do is right click on that, and you can see here you get a few options right down the bottom here. Delete children and group. Now you want to delete the children as well as the group, otherwise it's just going to delete the overall combination of the file and put all the individual pieces back into the not loaded, and it just makes a real mess. So click on that, delete children and group, and you can see it's disappeared. From our Discord, so if you go to the weak auras, and then you've got the top one here, T21 version 2.0. You can also look in the pinned messages, and that shows you the latest version as well. So this brings up the latest version that we've got. We can see up the top here it's version 2.0. So all you need to do on this section is click on this button over on the right hand side, copy weak aura import string, and then you can see here import string copied. So what that does is it copies all that information onto the clipboard, and then you can go back into the game, click on import, and then control paste, and that pastes all the information there. Now what you want to do here, it's showing what the group is and how many different things are going to be in there. Click on import, and you can see it down the bottom there that it's loading. Now you just leave it and wait for it to finish, because there's a lot of icons that it's loading. Okay, that's complete now, and as you can see you've got T21 version 2.0. Now if you're wanting to move where the actual weak auras are, this is just where it's placed on me, because you can see it's just above my character screen. If you're wanting to move this around anywhere, then you can actually just grab that and move it to wherever you like, because at most you should sort of see the first 3 or 4 at any one time on any of the bosses. So that's the positioning that you're wanting to worry about, is just those first 4, not necessarily the whole line. It's just a dynamic group that'll all keep adding up. So you see on the first boss it's going to start there, and then you may see 2 or 3 like that. That's all you're going to be able to see at one time on any of the fights. So you can just move that. If you select at the top, then you can just move that around to wherever suits on your screen. Cool. That's all you need to do to import those. So if you have any other questions, just ask me in Discord. Thanks for that. Bye.